Hi friends, thanks for joining me. Today we are going to be doing our first project share with our 6x6 scrapbook pack called Christmas Day. So I'm going to go ahead and make a paper flower with it, one or two, and then we will go ahead and make a Christmas card. Friends, if you like the papers that I am working with today, you can find them on kokorosastudio.com. I will have them linked in my description box. Also in my description box, you will find a discount code so that you can save 20% on your order. All right, friends, these are the two flowers that I made with my Kokorosa papers. And these two felt ones that I put in the center were given to me by my friend Kathy at Kathy's Favorite Things. I know that that is not a true center to a poinsettia, but you know, I just want to make flowers the way that I want to make them, and I think they look cute. Alright friends, along with the flowers that I made two cards that I'm going to show you today, and this is one of them. I used the black cardstock and a piece of the paper pack on the inside, and then a piece of the paper pack on the outside, and then I used a die cut house, and then some gold leaves and yarn that goes all the way around, and then this little embellishment. So that's the first card. And then the next one is this one, and I put it on white cardstock with the scrapbook piece right here on the outside, and I used a scrap piece here of the paper, and then over top of that put this ribbon, and then this is also a piece of the scrapbook paper, and I just put a die cut of Hello Christmas over top of that, and it's in the shape of a Christmas bulb. So these are the two cards that I made, and these are the two flowers that I made. I appreciate you spending some time with me today. Thanks for watching. See you soon.